So a case, I'm going to actually mention a case that on the face of it has nothing to do with religion or free exercise, at least in terms of what the doctrines directly in front of the court were. And that's Bostick versus Clayton County and the related set of cases where the Supreme Court, the supermajority, held that under Title VII, which is the federal employment discrimination law, that employers when the fact that they can't discriminate on the basis of sex under the terms of the statute means that they can't discriminate on the basis of sexual orientation, and they can't discriminate on the basis of gender identity. And the court said, look, this is just a textual analysis, right? So if you're firing somebody because John likes James instead of Jane, right? But for like all the work that's being done in that is sex, right? Or if you say, look, this person is performing gender in a way that is incompatible with how we think they should behave based on their biological sex and biology, right? Then that's discrimination on the basis of sex, right? And so, but also in that opinion, and there's great language, and it's definitely a victory. And full disclosure, I'm on the board of Lambda Legal, definitely a victory. And also, there's a moment where Justice Gorsuch says, well, very, very briefly, he says, now just to be aware, right, that that to the extent that that there's instances in which it would violate someone's religion to do this, right? That's, we'll save that question for another day. And that other day has not fully come, but it started to come. And so we've seen the court start to expand what it means to be a minister under the ministerial exception. And also, by the way, a ministerial exception is not language from Title VII. There's no language in Title VII that says ministerial exception. This is a judge-made exception that's intended to accommodate religious views and religious beliefs in a way that that really is kind of, at least among the justices, as a general matter, is a non-controversial position. But I do think that the expansion of what it means to be a minister and what it may mean to be practicing one's religious faith can be a space in which we could see the Title VII ruling kind of mean a little bit less over time.